In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Brevo email marketing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean folder structure so your contact lists stay organized and easy to manage as your marketing grows. First, make sure you're in your Brevo dashboard. From the main navigation, head to the CRM area. This is where Brevo keeps everything related to contacts and lists, so it's the perfect place to create folders that group similar lists together for better visibility and control. Next, open the Lists section. This page shows all of your existing contact lists, and it also supports folders, which act like containers for related lists. Folders are especially helpful if you manage multiple brands, regions, or lifecycle stages, because they reduce clutter and help your team find the right lists quickly. On the Lists page, look for the highlighted control that opens the folder options. Go ahead and click it. This brings up the place where you can manage the structure that sits around your lists without changing the lists themselves. Choose the option to create a new folder. A small window or panel will appear. Think of this as creating a labeled drawer. You're not moving anything yet, just adding an empty space that you can use to keep lists grouped in a logical way. Type the folder name into the highlighted field. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so you and your teammates can immediately understand what belongs inside. For example, you might use names like region, Europe, lifecycle, leads, or campaigns, seasonal. Keep names short but descriptive. Avoid special characters that might cause sorting issues, and consider a prefix system if you plan to create several folders. Don't stress too much about getting it perfect now. You can usually rename folders later as your structure evolves. When you're happy with the name, click Create Folder to save it. You should see the new folder appear in your lists view right away. If it doesn't show up immediately, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. If you can't create a folder, double check your user permissions with your account admin. That's it. You've created a folder in Brevo Email Marketing. From here, you can continue organizing your environment by grouping related lists into that folder as your next task. A simple, consistent folder structure reduces errors, speeds up campaign setup, and makes collaboration smoother for everyone on your team. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace tidy for faster, smarter marketing.